Let this thing be Sn. So Sn will be a to the power n, n to the power b, log e n to the power c. Now Sn 1 by n Lt n tends to infinity gives us a by 1 to the power b and 1 to the power c, as n 1 by n tends to 1 and log e n by 1 by n also tends to 1. So from here, using Cauchy's root test, a should be this, a should be less than 1 or a should be less than 1, whatever be the values of b and c. So a is correct. Now b. To check b, we know that if fn is a sequence, then e to the power n and f e to the power n both will be divergent or convergent. So let us see. Suppose this is fn. So fn equals to, herefore you see in b and c a is 1. So this thing changes. For a equals to 1, this becomes 1 by n to the power b log e n to the power c. Now e to the power n f e to the power n, if we get this thing, then this will be e to the power n b into n to the power c. Suppose this is dn. Now using Cauchy's root test for this, so dn 1 by n Lt n tends to infinity will be 1 by e to the power b 1 to the power c. So this should be less than 1. To be convergent, this should be less than 1. So e to the power minus b should be less than 1. 1 means e to the power 0. So this means that b should be greater than 0. And here you see 1 to the power c. So c can take any value. So here this option is correct, because we have taken in this a equals to 1. Here you see b must be greater than 0. This interval and this interval b is greater than 1. b is greater than 1 is a subset of this interval. So this comes under this condition. And c, whatever be the value of c, 1 to the power c, so b is correct. Now c, if you see, then here a equals to 1 1, and if you take here, you see the equality. If you take b equals to 0, then these two terms will be 1. So here will be 1 by, here will be 1 by log. For c, the sequence for b equals to 0 will be log e n to the power c. And you know that here c is less than 1. This means that c can be negative. If you take negative value of c here, then this log en goes to the numerator, because here will be in minus, c will be in minus, and if you are making this power to be positive, so you have to take this log en in the numerator. And if it goes in the numerator, then log en, if you tends n tends to infinity, then this will tend to infinity. So it is not tending to 0, so this will be divergent. So this is wrong, because not divergent. And this, if you see this a equals to minus 1, means this series is going to be alternative series, alternative. And here you see b is positive, 0 or positive, here c is also positive. This means that this thing remains in the denominator. So if you n tends to infinity, then this will tend to infinity, and a equals to -1 makes this series an alternative series, and you know that alternative series with decreasing value tending to 0 is convergent. So this option is also true for convergency. But here in the question we have to see that do not result in the convergence. So to choose the right option we have to choose the C, because C do not result in the convergence of this series. So C is our correct option.